this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the August 2020 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is back to school, and it's full of self-care items to help you take care of yourself, whether you are doing remote learning or going back to school in person. First up, we have this month's info card, and this just shows you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next up, we have this month's 5x7 art print. It says Made to Teach, and this was designed by Stephanie of Math with Ms. E. Next, we have a very highly requested item. This is a cloth reusable mask. As you can see, it has this super cute pencil print on it, and it has elastic so it can stretch comfortably over your ears. This, of course, if you are going back in person, you'll definitely need, but even if you're not, I know we can all always use an extra mask while our other ones are in the wash. Next, we have a Tinted Lip Balm from Blue Oak Farm. It's grapefruit peppermint and it has just a really sheer pink tint to it. Next, we have a sticker. It says teacher in these really cute colors, and this is from Miss Fairchild Creates. You can put this on a laptop, water bottle, wherever you want to put it. Okay. Next, we have this wooden photo holder, and it says teach on it. These were handmade by Cabin 20 Creations. And I want to show you, you can use it for your Teacher Care Crate prints. You can change it out every month if you're a monthly subscriber, or you can just use it for a photo on your desk. There's that. Okay. Next, we have another wearable item. Whenever I have earrings going forward, there's always going to be 2 wearable items that month because I know not everyone can wear earrings. So we have the mask, and then in addition to the mask, we have these super cute pencil earrings. These are handmade by Confetti in the Classroom. She is a teacher, and Confetti in the Classroom is her Etsy shop, and these are nickel free. And it also goes perfectly with your mask. Next, we have these Happy Place eye gels from Patchology. So what these are is it's sort of like a mask, but they're a gel and it goes under your eyes to rejuvenate that area. Perfect for teacher tired eyes. And then our treat this month, something that's also been highly requested, is coffee. So this is a pour over coffee from Kuju Coffee. It's an individual size. So I have one already open that I wanted to show you how it works. When you open this up, inside is a little pouch, and you just tear off the top carefully. And then, I don't know why, but I think this is so fun. It opens up like this, and you put it in a mug so it sort of sits like this. Hopefully you can see that. And then you pour hot water over it into the coffee filter, and it makes really delicious coffee. I think it's better than drip coffee. It's definitely better than Keurig, in my opinion. So this is great for like in the afternoon. If you don't want to make a whole nother pot, you can just make an individual cup, or also great for having at school. All right, that is everything that comes in the August 2020 Back to School Teacher Care Crate. So again, you have your pour over coffee from Kuju Coffee. You have your handmade photo holder, your tinted lip balm, your Happy Place eye gels, super cute pencil earrings, your teacher sticker, your cloth reusable mask with the pencil print, your art print, and of course just your info card. So if you are not already subscribed, you'll need to head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by August 14th or earlier in case we sell out to get this month's Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.